Hi there, and welcome to Music Lesson with Tony Valley. Today we're going to be working on I Will Survive from Cake. In today's lesson, we're going to work on guitar 2. Now, this guitar right here is going to go throughout, and it changes a little bit as it goes, but it's basically the same thing, all right? And it's distorted, and I'm going to play it through really slow. So right here we're going to start off, and it's going to be a chord right on the 8th fret. You're going to put your first finger, 2nd string 8th fret, second finger on the 9th fret, 3rd string, and your 3rd finger is going to be on the 10th fret and the 4th string, okay? But what you're going to do is you're going to hit your 5th string, and you're going to go, okay? You can either hit that down, 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 okay, if you'd like, or just go down, down, up. Okay? And then you're going to hit it again. Then you're going to strike that first finger on the 8th fret, 2nd string, and you're going to go. And you're going to bend up. So this is the first part right here. You're going to play it again, and you're going to go. All right? Let's play it real slow. 5th string, open, chord. 8th, 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 and now bend that 8th with that first finger. It's going to be a full bend, all right? So let's play it again. All right. Now the next measure right here, we're going to put our 2nd finger on the 2nd string, 6th fret. 3rd finger is going to be placed on the 7th fret, 4th string. 4th finger is placed on the 7th fret, 3rd string. And you're going to go, you're going to go. All right, so again, strike the 6 and 7, that's the 2nd and 3rd string. Strike the 3 notes, the 4th string, 3rd and 2nd, then hit that 6th fret, 2nd string twice, again, and then the last one, you can do a full bend. So here's that measure again. All right, I overbent that one a little bit. So bend that right up on there. Next measure. You're going to put your first finger on the 5th fret, 4th string. 4th finger is placed on the 8th fret, 2nd string. And you're going to pluck them like this. Okay? You're going to actually, if you're going to use your fingers, use your thumb and your first finger, but you're going to be probably using a pick. So strike your 4th with the pick. And take your 3rd finger. Actually, let's use your 2nd finger. And you're going to strike that 2nd string. And that's going to be on the 8th fret. And you're going to go. Okay, so the 3rd part here, you got, all right. Now right where you are right there, all you need to do now is get rid of that 4th finger and bar your first finger across the 1st, 2nd, and 4th string. Actually the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. On the 5th fret, you're going to go twice, once, twice again, and twice again. And again, I'm playing this really slow because it's a feel to it. So let me go back to last section. We're going to go. Okay. Now next part, slide up to your 10th fret. Keep on those same strings, the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. You're going to hit on the 10th fret, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. All right, so let's do that again. 10th fret, you're going to hit the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. You're going to hit twice, once, twice, and twice again. Now slide down to your 4th fret. Now you're still on those same strings. You hit that twice, once, twice, twice. So I'm going to play those parts again for you. You're going to go. Okay? So let's go back to the beginning part of what we did. I'm going to start it off and I'll go real slow. right? Now, next part, you're going to go into an E power chord. You're going to put your first finger on the 7th fret, 5th string, third finger on the 9th fret, 4th string, and your pinky goes onto the 9th fret, 3rd string. All right? But what you're going to do is you're going to hit the open E, 6th string, down, then you're going to hit down, up, and then you're going to strike the chord. Down, up, then down, up. Okay? Then after that, you're going to hit the open E string, down, then down, up again, and you're going to hit the chord again, down, up, down, up, down, up. And to end that, you're going to hit the 6th string again open, but now you're going to pull off from that 4th string on the 9th fret there. You're going to pull down from the 9th to 7, and that's a pull off of the 3rd and 1st finger, going from the 9th to the 7th, 4th string, then you're going to hit your 5th string open. So let's play that E part again real slow. At that point, it goes right back into the riff, and the riff repeats. Okay, so let's take that a little faster all together. Okay, and again, you can ad-lib this, okay? Because these parts you can just move around. If you want to lift up on that E, you can do that too. So let's play it again, bring it up to speed. Goes right back into the beginning part. All right, that's going to do it for today's lesson. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to email me at tonyvalley@tonyvalley.com. We'll see you for the next one.